Spanish with Jessica Diaz. Regular ER verbs. In Spanish, verbs must be conjugated to reflect the subject of a sentence. Regular ER verb conjugations follow the same pattern. First, you would drop the ER at the end of the verb, and then you add the ending that goes with the subject. On the left, you can see all the regular ER verb endings. The verb endings in the first column are for singular subjects, such as I, you, he, and she. The verb endings in the second column are for plural subjects, such as we, they, or you all. The first row is for first-person subjects, such as I or we. The second row is for second-person subjects, such as you. And the third row is for third-person subjects, such as he, she, or they. On the right side, you will see how to conjugate the verb comer by dropping the ER ending and replacing it with an ending that reflects the subject. Yo como, I eat. Tú comes, you eat. Él come, he eats. Ella come, she eats. Usted come, you formal eat. Nosotros comemos, we eat. Nosotras comemos, we feminine eat. Vosotros coméis, y'all eat. Vosotras coméis, y'all feminine eat. Ellos comen, they eat. Ellas comen, they feminine eat. Ustedes comen, you all eat. You would use the same method to conjugate any regular ER verb, such as correr, to run, beber, to drink, esconder, to hide, vender, to sell, and leer, to read. Now let's check out 5 sentences that will help us understand how to use regular ER verb conjugations. First, I read a lot. I is first person singular, so the verb should end in O. So the translation is yo leo mucho. Second, you run every day. You is second person singular, so the verb should end in es. So the translation is tú corres todos los días. Third, he hides from his mother. He is third person singular, so the verb should end in e. The translation would be él se esconde de su madre. Fourth, we sell apples. We is first person plural, so the verb should end in emos. So the translation is nosotros vendemos manzanas. Our fifth and last example sentence is they drank water after running. They is third person plural, so the verb should end in en. So the translation is ellos beben agua después de correr. Thanks for watching Spanish with Jessica Diaz, regular ER verbs, brought to you by Learning with Jessica Diaz. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to subscribe.